I don't want to use anymore. I haven't. It's been 80 days.
No addict
I
that
can
comes
do it.
before me wants to use.
I'm not going to.
Versus Savannah Bradley.
Ashley Valdes for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. On behalf of Mr. Bradley.
Morning.
Good morning.
And your name?
Savannah Bradley.
All right. I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant will be
A
fine.
mother
You
stands
understand
in
that?
court
Yes.
claiming sobriety and
Count
begging for
4,
another
also
chance.
that you'll be pleading
Retail
guilty to is
theft,
use of
meth use,
methamphetamine.
and
That's a
broken trust
misdemeanor
all
punishable
collide in
by
one
up to
hearing.
1 year
The
incarceration,
judge
a
isn't listening
$2,000
for
fine plus
promises,
court costs. You
only
understand
proof.
that? We'll be pleading guilty to count 3, retail fraud in the 3rd degree, the 93-day offense, and count 4, use of methamphetamine, a 1-year offense. Upon their successful plea to those charges, counts 1 and 2 would be dismissed. There is a sentence agreement of no 7411.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That's correct, Your Honor.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name.
Savannah Bradley.
All right. And I should say on the sentencing form, there's a sentencing judge waiver, but that doesn't need to be filled out because it's my case.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to 2 misdemeanor charges. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. The first is count 3 of retail fraud in the 3rd degree. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine should be increased at 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
Count 4, also that you'll be pleading guilty to, is use of methamphetamine. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Understanding all of that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
To the charge of retail fraud 3rd degree, how do you plead?
Guilty.
To the charge of use of methamphetamine, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal up?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plea?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily,
Yes.
of your own free will,
Yes.
and because you believe that you're guilty of these offenses?
Yes.
July 20th, 2025, at the location of 3749 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do at the Target store that makes you think that you're guilty?
I put items in a bag that I scanned the bag and out the items.
Okay, so it was a bag from the store?
Yes.
Okay, and you put items inside to conceal them?
Yes.
Scanned the bag, but didn't scan the items inside?
Correct.
You did that intentionally?
I did.
And you tried to walk out without paying for them?
Yes.
Store was open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to do that, did you?
I did not.
And these items that you put inside and didn't scan, these were items that were offered for sale by Target?
Yes.
All right. On that same day, did you have methamphetamine in your possession?
I did.
Had you used it?
I did.
Did you know what you were using was methamphetamine?
Yes.
All right. Ma'am, if I do accept your plea to these charges, I have to advise you that if between this time or the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, that if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to any sentence evaluation or recommendation, nor would the court be bound by that. And you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule, and would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
What's that?
Defense is still satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to counts 3 and 4. Counts 1 and 2 are dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered. 14A1 probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
December 10th at 9 a.m.
no. She's in custody. Thank you. Sentencing November 12th, 2025. 9 a.m. before me.
Your Honor, may I address one forward?
Be disappointed if you didn't. Go ahead.
Your Honor, first of all, we had been wanting to ask for a reduction in her bond that is currently set up. Miss Bradley has not seen her son for about 80 days. She was in custody of Wayne County for around 75 days. Her son is currently with her dad. She needs to get him enrolled in school before CPS starts getting involved. She is okay getting released on GPS tether, on any alcohol tether, and do any sort of testing that Your Honor decides to order. She's even willing to be put
She
on.
didn't do that the first time, though.
That was
I mean, the reason that she's in, she had a PR, she didn't comply with community correction and didn't appear.
Yes, understood, Your Honor. And she does have a letter that she wanted to share with you. I've already shared it with the prosecution. We could provide it to Your Honor if you would allow us to. She does apologize for that.
So you want me to stop in the middle of everything and read a letter?
No,
Oh, okay, go ahead.
I mean, I guess I can summarize it to you. It's a really heartfelt letter. She's saying in it that she apologizes. She wants to be able to get back to her son. She's been far away from him enough. She is interested in rehab. I would have asked for her to be released into rehab, except the fact that she does want to be able to go and get her son situated in school. That's the only reason we haven't already submitted that. She just wants to make sure her son is kind of set. He's already late, to get enrolled. But that's what she included in the letter, and she can speak to herself.
Sorry, yeah, I just did the 75 in Wayne County, and I got and came here right the same day. I had to move from my current house to my dad's house. My boyfriend left me when I was in Wayne County. So I got to get him in school because it's about a 30-minute drive from my dad's house to a school that he's having a hard time with. And I just need to get him enrolled over there so he can get in there. His dad currently don't have power at the house, so that's why he's staying with my dad. And he's just having a hard time getting him back and forth to school.
Oh,
I'll
wow.
do anything.
Pardon?
I'll do anything the court asks.
No, ma'am.
I know I messed
Gave
up.
you the
I know.
Yeah,
I know I
really,
did.
you messed up.
I did.
Big time. And now you want me just to give you another chance to apparently mess up, and you've not received any treatment. You've not received anything, which was part of the reason why you ended up with the bond that you did, and you ended up incarcerated because you were using.
I know.
So, and I'll be honest with you, and I mean, I don't mean to be harsh about this, but I think it's true. I don't know how good you do your son if you're using, and you've done nothing to sort of alleviate that part of the issue.
I don't want to use anymore. I haven't. It's been 80 days.
No addict
I
that
can
comes
do it.
before me wants to use.
I'm not going to.
Ma'am, how many times have you made that promise to yourself or to others?
Once. I started using in June. It's the first time. I've never done drugs. I never have drug
So
cases
you only
anywhere.
one time previous to what you just stated to me promised that you wouldn't use drugs.
I mean, when I messed up the last time.
You made that promise.
I haven't used drugs in 85 days. And I know I can
Because
do it.
part
I
of that
don't want
we've
to.
had you.
And I'm glad that Wayne County took me, because if they didn't, I probably would still be using. But I haven't, and I feel good that I haven't.
Anything else? I don't need a response from the people. Motion for bond reduction is denied. I may reconsider it after she's evaluated by probation, but at this time, I'm going to deny the request. Bond will continue.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Promises don't outweigh patterns in a courtroom. Sobriety isn't proven by words, it's proven by time and action. And until that happens, the court protects consequences over hope.